So today I'm about to show you how to pause an active agent in Flow.io. When you launch a complex task in agent mode, you don't have to just sit back and watch it run blindly. If you notice the agent heading down the wrong path, you can step in immediately using human-in-the-loop controls. To temporarily halt the execution, look directly at the active recipe on your infinite canvas. Simply click the pause button located on the running node or recipe block. This will instantly stop the autonomous workflow right in its tracks. While at its pause, you can easily edit the task inputs, tweak the next steps, or fix any wrong data. Once you make your adjustments, just hit the play button to let the agent resume its work. And that's it. That's how to pause an active agent in Flow.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.